Welcome to the second part of question 4. We're going to simplify the polynomial with the distributive property. All right, let's look at letter D here. That 3m is going to be multiplied to the m, so I write 3m parentheses m. Then the 3m is going to be multiplied to the 9, so 3m parentheses 9. The 1 is going to be multiplied to the 3, 1 parentheses m. And then the 1 is going to be multiplied to the 9, 1 parentheses 9. All right, 3m times m, this is 3m squared plus 3 times 9, it is 27m. 1 times m, it is just 1m. 1 times 9 is just 9. Here you get 27 and 1m. 27m and 1m becomes 28m. Bring everything else down. 3m squared plus 28m plus 9. Question E. Here we have the t times the t squared. So, oops, I should make that red. Black for the first one. T times t squared. So t times t squared. Then t times negative 5t. Then t times the 1, so that's me distributing that t to all the terms. Next, I do the second term, which is the negative 2. So there's that negative 2 times t, negative 2 parentheses t squared. I'll make this purple. Negative 2 times negative 5t. And then last one, maybe pink. Negative 2 times 1. T squared times t, it is t cubed. T negative 5t becomes minus 5t squared. T times 1, it is just t. This becomes negative 2 times t squared, it is negative 2t squared. Negative 2 times negative 5t, it is plus 10t. Negative 2 times 1, it is negative 2. Combine some like terms here. So this and this combined, that becomes negative 7t squared. T and 10t becomes 11t. Bring everything else down. T to the third and minus 2. So that is the final answer. T to the third minus 7t squared plus 11t minus 2. And then the last one. The d is going to be multiplied to the 2d squared. Then that d is going to be multiplied to the negative d. And then you're going to have the d multiplied to the 7. Next, you have that 6 going to be multiplied to the 2d squared. 6 going to be multiplied to the negative d. And then you have the 6 multiplied to the 7. Okay. All right, d times 2d squared, which becomes 2d to the third. D times negative d is negative d squared. D times 7, it is 7d. 6 times 2d, right, squared. Okay. That is plus 12d squared. Negative 6 times d is negative 6d. 6 times 7, it is 35. Okay. Combine some like terms, negative d squared and 12d. Please understand this is negative 1, right? That becomes an 11d squared. 7d and 6d becomes plus 1d. Okay, bring everything else down. 2d to the third plus, bring down the 35 here. So that's the final answer. 2d to the third power plus 11d squared plus 1d plus 35. And there you go. That is how you multiply using the distributive property.